Dial *144*8# to recharge your MTN account with 10 Rand airtime or more to stand a chance to win a share of prizes worth up to the value of 8 million Rand. And don't forget to subscribe. Tanko. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the MTN 8 semi-finals. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Stellenbosch 1. I'm joined by the acting president of Mining Association of South Africa, Tabs.
No, because of last time really go Orlando Stibo, the Mining Association of South Africa ya failure.
Yes.
Wabana pala ku minyet against Sundowns the Dr. Tela Chago Madagascar.
Yes.
Today we changed it. It was the Mining Association of Stellenbosch. Yeah, never help us Stellenbosch. I want to everybody leave.
Yay!
To those players, they raped Sundowns.
They what?
They raped Sundowns. They raped Sundowns. Kikula time ya Sundowns hoji wa yona. So to my players right now, even go school na train ore. Roja Sundowns.
Serious?
I'm not this season hoji wa yona. I'm still saying the words that
the
entire season.
Serious time.
Fetu. Kiro hoji wa yona this season. Okay. Fleming back, how are you? We say Pilenyo, mfethu. We say mfethu. Fleming back mfethu. No, mina bengisho hamba isurula bengise serious mfethu. Taturulani angana bungozi mfethu. Taturulani. Yeah. But sharp athi ngikhulume ngiyakho busy la. Sure.
Are you sitting guy no?
Mfethu kasibe mfethu ihambile noRulani. Inyoka ihambile noRulani.
Oh, that was the key.
That's the problem. Thathi uRulani akana bungozi uRulani.
Yes.
Uyalazi ibhola uRulani.
Yes.
Thathi uRulani. And I know they're going to say hey, about Tabs that they were saying Rulani is assistant coach and everything. I don't care. Now we are taking the position but not the person. He's a good coach, quality coach, and right now we are Mwana Uchero Cassius Malula who has experience. They're going to do wonders.
Yes.
Even look careful, they're not going to care. But this one's never
look.
Never look. And here's one thing.
Yes.
See, okay, I was talking to someone. One thing is because of the way they went wrong is changing the system. At Sundowns. See, if you go to the match experience,
yes,
Thembazwane was not in the game in the first half of the game. They didn't play very well.
Yes,
that's the very same mistake. Against even young Africans, they did the very same mistake. Thembazwane was not there. Second half, Thembazwane is there. He's doing wonders. Look at now, second half, he put 2 goals on target.
Exactly.
Just second half.
Yes.
So play with Thembazwane. You don't care about the age and anything, but Thembazwane, if he's in the pitch, he can influence the pitch. You can't let Sundowns. I think this is the team. This is the problem of teams building their team over one player. Never la Pirates. Without Ito, there's no Pirates. Do you know that thing?
Didn't know.
Without Ito, there's no Pirates.
Didn't know.
If Ito be injured, you will see what's going to happen to Orlando Pirates because of their relying on one person. Right now, look at Mamelodi Sundowns. This guy Arao, Rowan Williams is not there.
Yes.
He cannot build up from the back. Go 5 passes. Imagine 5 passes.
Yes.
5 passes. These people are expensive players, but showing us cheap football.
What?
This is the very same words you go Bruce expensive players showing us cheap football. I mean, even SABC today is regretting broadcasting this match.
Yeah.
Man, they should have broadcasted a match in Anagoka, go Mulager, Gokas.
Not there.
Man, they even should have broadcasted our fans. These people play cheap football. Even Supersport is angry, man. Cheap football. Imagine buying a player at 200 million, buying a player at 56 million.
Ace.
That's
man.
Sad. We are paying for DSTV, Mara. We are watching this shit, man. No, this is not this shit. In fact, yeah. So the problem, I know the people who criticize Mango and everything. Mara,
this what?
This is shit, Steve. So they're playing shit, Steve. But I'm gonna give credit to the goalkeeper Stevens. Yeah, Stevens from Stellenbosch. They played very good game. When I had a concern about Stellenbosch releasing their key players, Ukram Reyners and or the other player who went to Orlando Pirates. I had a concern about them releasing players, saying, why are you releasing the players while you're going to compete in CAF competitions, when you're going to compete in MTN 8 and NetBank and everything? Why are you releasing those players? But I think now they showed, or they've proven me wrong, that they can still continue their form without those players. Abu Mujela, they are there. The players for Pile from the DDC, Abu Banisi, they still play very nice games. Yeah. So I stand down and win.
Kimang mo ba change the system?
Yeah, man, I change the system, Steve. Obala 5 passes, in fact. 5 passes. We knew if Rulan was here, they were gonna play 1,000 passes. They were gonna give us 1,000 passes. Marababa like 5 passes right now. So I'm sure Rulan Kwaleng is happy. He's Ashraf is happy. He's celebrating. He's celebrating. Just that I don't have his number, but I'm sure he's celebrating. I'm gonna see him on Instagram. He's celebrating right now. They will tell us, Mama Kula Gunda. They're still celebrating right now.
Man of the match.
Man of the match. Man of the match. Who can I give the man of the match?
Goalkeeper.
Not goalkeeper, man. Not goalkeeper. I'll give it to Mujela.
Mujela, ne?
Mujela, I fought with the thing of the coach pairing him with Andre De Jona.
Yes.
Andre De Jona, Unkumbuzu Castro. Unkumbuzu Castro. Like he cannot hold the ball. Mampasa ball, he loses the ball easily. So,
yes.
So, logic. So, but they should have paired him with Banis.
Yeah. Tabs MTN batla o tsibo tlo etsa ka 1 million e.
Na ke sa nyaga 1 million.
Why, Tabs? Why, Tabs?
Ke tswa kwa go Chiefs be ile le khila go village kwa bona Churena kwa le lo bona bo Mtaung. I wanted to know where banyaka khomo tse dikae. So ma ke fitla da.
Yeah.
Onchi from the office unkisha ko ntwela parking ko training di playa train. As you can see I have many cows here. I don't need a cow. I don't need a cow. I have many cows. Look at the big cow Casting Serino. This Casting Serino. Look at Bruce Vuma. Look at Ukwenega. So I don't need cows. And I said, okay, my coach. I said, Bobby, listen, Steve. This is very sad. Don't laugh. It's okay. So then I said to Bobby, who do you want? And he said, I want that you could have given me Mukwana. I'm gonna give you Kemis. And I said, how am I gonna give you Mukwana? Because we're not already playing washata, ngoro wanyala, ngoro patla lobola. Uya go di parenting, ngoro patla lobola. Wakira tsoro patla lobola. Re go di parenting after re rapopota re khopela lobola. Mara o sana di playing ngoro saina o golo uri lobola. So manje akusanyaka nimilo mara ro style bokae.
Dial *144 *8# Tabs Kenya 10 rand. Dama luck.
O nyala mang jalo.
Cash ingi. Mr. Boy umta una ngi cash. Cash, give him cash. Abathi di khomo mufa cash. 1 million cash.
Uthamu uzontshela ukuthi kwabukhoza is there any lady maybe ngizonyala kwabukhoza maybe.
Thank you very much.